Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can put music into your Facebook story. So go ahead and open your Facebook account and tap on Create Story. And then just scroll down and tap on the picture or the video that you want to put as your story. And then tap on Music here on the right. So here's a list of the audio that you can put into your story, or you can also search music or artists, for example. There you go. So once you've chosen, just tap on that. Needed to you to love me, yeah. And then you can also adjust it to where you want your audio to start and to end by just sliding this to the right or to the left. And there you go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.